Alright, this snow isn't frozen on, so let's just see how well my truck's repaired windshield wiper works. You know that foot of snow that everybody's talking about? This is the start of it. Clear the windows off. Let the tool do the job. Very nice. Alright, now just back out real easy. Try not to hit anything, especially not any Buicks or Pontiacs. Although the keykeeper's big brown piece of crap is always fair game. Alright. Look at all this snow. I'm going to show you something interesting that my truck does. Kind of a funny noise that it makes. It's done this since it was new. I can't always guarantee when it's going to do it, but I'll put it to you this way. My beloved truckling has a siren. Oh, that's slippery. Let's see if we can hear it. Right around the 20-mile-an-hour mark. Hear it? Coming from the back end, and then just as quickly as it came, it goes, and it comes again. Oh man, things are really getting nasty out here. Sounds like it's got a siren almost. I'll tell you what, first time that ever happened, that's what I thought it was. I thought the cops were after me. I was like, I don't know how they can be. Now there's a job I wouldn't want to be doing. Wonder if that's Media Bomb or Frontier. Not a good place to have that truck, considering some of the drivers on the road today. Oh, the visibility out here is total garbage. But there's my siren. Sometimes it'll come back around 30 or so. I better not go that fast though. These roads are total crap. As soon as it warms up, it'll quit doing it. It's got plenty of fluid in the differential and the transmission, and both are in good shape.